Okay. Okay. Don't be offended by my Raptor Center hat.
Oh, I like it. That's right. You just got so much to say today, huh?
Have they all had their bath?
Are you having a good day, huh?
Just about everybody had their bath today, but not everybody had their bath.
Squirt hasn't.
Squirts can... So tell me your name.
Me?
Yes.
My name's Anne Marie.
Anne Marie.
Anne
Oh,
Marie.
right. I emailed
Anne
you
Marie.
back.
Yes.
Anne Marie, you're on a boat, and you
Yep.
brought us a toy and a banana.
I did.
Thank you so much.
You're
And
welcome.
there's the banana.
That's a great bell, too.
Thank you so much, Anne
You're
Marie.
welcome. You're welcome.
And then what we're going to do is go see other people here. And
April.
I know this is April. Hi, April.
Hi.
Thank you for coming back.
Happy to be here.
We love you.
We love you.
You have to treat them with great respect. If you start treating them like to be obedient, they're like, what?
Forget about it, right?
Yeah, they'll flip you off. It has to become this beautiful symbiotic relationship where you're one with nature.
And it's a respect thing.
It is. It is, and people don't want to do that. Even with these, you know, they want to get these birds because it's cool and it's beautiful. These birds have emotions. They have personalities. They need to be spoken to.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
I am so happy to see you.
Thank you. This is like
I
my
wish-
trip 10.
Yes, I wish you would come back more often.
Oh, I try to come as often as I can.
Good.
At least twice a year.
And we love you.
I love you guys back.
Thank you. Love is important. And here's this woman here, right here. She's sort of a specialist.
Love is all
She's
there
a
is.
specialist in love. She's a best-selling author on Amazon.
Hi.
Can you tell me the name of your book?
The book is The Midas Touch
Yes.
with Joe Vitale. And I am Lady Christopher Barrett.
Thank
And
you.
that's what we believe in. Only love is real.
Thank
We
you.
love you, Nancy.
And we love you back.